Okay. Thermostat on 21 stout. So what you're gonna do, right now the fan's in auto mode. That should stay in auto mode. Touch the screen to light it up. Right now the system's in off. If you can see, the off is blinking. You're gonna hit it one time, the cool will be blinking. Hit it another time, the heat will be blinking. So whichever one you want, in this situation we're wanting cool, you're gonna hit done. Now you're in cool mode. It's currently set to 67 degrees. You set it up or down, it's gonna hold in that, or it's gonna go to that position. If the schedule is set, which is right here, it's going to change however you have the scheduling set. I'm not gonna go over that in this video. You can easily Google the model and it will tell you how to set the schedule. But for the temperature, let's say we want it 68 degrees, you're just gonna do that and hit hold. Pause. So once you get it to the temperature you wanna set, in this situation, we're gonna go 74. Let's go 72. We're just gonna hit hold and it's gonna say permanent hold and you're it. That's all you have to do. If you want to schedule it, of course, just Google it and you can schedule it. You just hit this button and of course follow the steps to go through it. If you want to go back into the regular settings again, you want to go to heat, you're just gonna, again, you see the cool is blinking, you're gonna hit it again, it's gonna go to heat, you're gonna hit done, you're gonna be in heat mode. We're gonna go back to off because we don't need it on right now. That's it.